Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. And please subscribe now and put in the comments below, I subscribe, so I could personally thank you for joining my YouTube family. So today on this episode, I'm going to be making Valentine's Day desserts. We're doing chocolate covered strawberries. We are doing some heart chocolate chip cookies and maybe one other thing. We'll see how far we get. Take some notes because Valentine's Day is next week and this will help you. So sit back and relax and let the love magic begin. What I'm doing in this episode is I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate covered strawberries for cheap. You don't have to spend $100 on chocolate covered strawberries. $25 max, if that. So first things first, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 and we are going to make chocolate chip cookies from this Toll House dough using this heart mold. I'm going to show you how to do it, but first let's preheat the oven. So oven, let's preheat you to 350. Now, I use the Wilton's chocolates. I like them because they melt good. In a couple colors. So we like light chocolate in my house. We don't like dark chocolate, but it comes in dark chocolate. So we're doing light chocolate, we're doing red, and we're doing white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to dip the strawberries, and then I'm going to teach you how to do the drizzle on top, and then we're going to be putting some sprinkles on. So first things first, we lay down some Reynolds wrap, because when you dip the strawberries, you need a place for them to dry. And I clean the counter completely off because I'm making a decent amount of strawberries. Okay, that should be good. I like room to work. Mix it, and I also put a little bit of this vegetable oil to have it like nice and creamy. And then, see, that's how it comes out. Once the chocolate is melted, then you start dipping your strawberries right away. So now we are going to make heart chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna let this dry before we put the decorations on them. I have the Toll House cookie dough. I actually got this cookie mold on Amazon. What I like about it is that, oh, I just got it out of the washing machine because you gotta wash it before you use it. What I like about it is that it could go up to 400 or 500 degrees, no. What I like about it could go up to like 500 degrees, so it's safe for the oven. Okay, so first thing is first, let me move these chocolate covered strawberries over a little bit. And these are good for the kids when they come home from school. Valentine's Day is a Sunday this year, but I celebrate Valentine's Day the whole week of. It's Love Day. Actually, Rob says it's Heart's Day. He loves hearts, my son. He takes after me. Okay, so now we're going to get some cooking spray. You can use Pam, whatever you use. You're going to spray it on there so it doesn't stick. I'm going to wipe the excess off. It just gets in the hearts. It's really just a fancy way of doing these cookies. That's all it is. We're making the chocolate chip cookies a little holiday-ish. Now these already, I like this dough because it already comes in cubes. So you could take a cube, see, it comes in cubes. So you take a cube, you might need 2 cubes for this actually. Yeah, you need 2. Smush it, and you fill the mold. So this does 12 24, so we're gonna be doing 12 cookies today. So I just filled the heart molds with chocolate chip cookie dough. My little munchkin is here because he knows Mommy's making cookies. And I put a cookie tin underneath, so it's just a little more stable to take in and out. And I'm going to put it in for about, I'm gonna say 10 minutes and check on it. So I'll let you know what they look like when I'm done. So I just took these out of the oven. A little tip, so the package said to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. These actually cook for almost 15 because I guess they were like squished in a little area. So you might have to cook them a little longer, or it could just be my oven. So sometimes gas cooks different than electric, so you know your own oven. So just watch the cookies when they cook. So I'm gonna put them on here for them to cool now. So this time of year in the stores, they have these huge Russell Stovers heart candies, and I gotta be honest with you, they are my favorite. But normally I'm on a diet around this time of year and I can't eat them, but now since I got a little babe cooking in the oven, I asked Rob for one of those big Russell Stovers heart candies. So my question to you is this: what is your favorite chocolate for Valentine's Day? Leave a comment below. Next, we're going to decorate the strawberries and the cookies that we just did. So I am going to put a little vegetable oil in. This is the red chocolate that I'm using. How beautiful, melted the chocolate. I'll put the stick here. So now, not everybody is a pastry chef. Not everybody has those fancy bags. So we do it out of a Ziploc bag. What we do is we open a Ziploc bag, chocolate covered strawberries on a dime. And this is how you do it. Okay. Close the bag. Get all the air out. And put the chocolate to the corner. Now, I'm gonna get a scissor and cut a little hole. Just a little one. See, and it's starting to drizzle. You could do any pattern. I always like to do it back and forth. And I'm gonna layer the white and the red. The white one's gonna be next, and then we're gonna put some candies on here too. And look, they look exactly like the store that you buy. That's done. Just put a little bit more here. Now we're going to do the cookies. Who doesn't like extra chocolate on their chocolate chip cookies? Said no one, except maybe my son Robbie, who doesn't like chocolate. He says chocolate is yuck. I don't know where he comes from because I love chocolate. And so does my husband. Maybe his taste bud for chocolate didn't develop yet. Who knows? Okay, perfect. And they're gonna dry. Now it's time to do the white one. Okay, the white chocolate has melted. Same thing. In a Ziploc bag it goes. Get the air out. And don't forget to put the vegetable oil in the chocolate because it really helps it melt. So nice. lumpy. It's very smooth when you do that. Now we're going to cut the ends, same like before. And we're going to drizzle. Sometimes this happens, you're going to push it out. And what about, something to know about chocolate is that it dries really quick. So you do have to stop in between if you're going to put decoration on. Sprinkles, these are edible heart sprinkles. So it sticks. Okay. It looks very hardish. Now we're going to do the same design for the cookies. I think I'm going to just leave the cookies the red and white. I'm not going to add the sprinkles to them. Okay, voila, you're done. Now it's time to plate them. My Valentine's Day treats complete. So what I did is I just took them off the tin foil and I put them in beautiful heart trays, and then I put some candies around them, and we're ready for Love Day here. So everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some tips and inspirations to make some chocolate covered strawberries and chocolate chip cookies for your Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications, because guess what? Next week, you guys are gonna see the baby's 20-week sonogram. And I know you're not gonna wanna miss that. So turn on those notifications, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.